love the snow. Let's keep riding higher. This mountain is magical. There are so many animals here. Look at these giant footprints. I've never seen tracks this big. Something lives up here. Let's follow the footprints. The owl wants to show us something. Let's follow our new friend. It knows the mountain trails. Come on, ponies. Did you hear that little cry? Someone needs our help. Let's hurry. We can't leave anyone alone.
The mountain is shaking! Hold on, little pony!
Our ponies are so brave! Everyone stay together! I heard it again! Let's keep digging! We're almost there! Don't give up!
He's so tiny!
You're safe now, little one. What a beautiful tiger cub. We'll take care of you. She's Milo's mommy. She looks kind, not scary. She's coming to thank us. Let's show her that Milo is safe. This valley is so magical. I've never seen anything like it. It's the most beautiful place ever.
She trusts us.
We'll always protect Milo. Thank you, Mother Tiger. We'll be his best friends. Milo loves the Sunny Farm Express. Our family is growing. This is just the beginning. Let's explore the whole world together.
We'll visit you again soon.